Hey everyone, welcome to another video of BlogHunch. In this video, we are going to talk about how to connect a custom domain to your BlogHunch account. So let's get started. The first thing that we are going to do is go to dashboard. And from there, we will move to settings. Here you see a section called domains. If you click on that, it will give you two options. The first thing is the publication subdomain. This is the subdomain that is being provided from our end, and whatever you put right here, your final blog URL will be whatever you are putting here .mybloghunch.com. And at the right hand side, we have the publication domain. This is the custom domain. So the first thing that you will notice right here, this is disabled by default. So you need to click on this add domain. Now this is active and we can put whatever domain we want to put here. Here you can put the primary domain or you can put a subdomain as well. So for now, in this tutorial, we're going to use a subdomain. So this is the subdomain that we are putting right here. In the same way, we need to create an IP record, an A record with the IP address that we are providing right here. So just copy this one and head over to whatever DNS provider that you are using. Now create a new A record. As I'm using a subdomain, I need to put whatever subdomain that I'm choosing right here. If you're using the primary domain, you can just leave it this. Once this is connected, if you're using Cloudflare, make sure you disable the proxy and set the TTL to be the lowest. Once that is done, we can save this. Here you can see this is saved. Now let's see if the DNS got updated. See, the DNS is all updated now. So let's try to refresh this. Oops, we forgot to save. I'm saving this. Once it is saved, all we need to do is hit the refresh and check view blog. The first time you load the blog, after connecting a custom domain, it might take a few seconds in order to create and register the SSL certificates. And after that, it will be blazing fast. So you see the domain is connected. Now it is myblog.intesta.com. And this is all secured with the SSL. So this is how you can easily connect a custom domain to your blog.